The exact method you need to use to cancel Tinder Gold depends on how you signed up. You can cancel Tinder Gold using the Tinder app, the website, your iPhone's settings app, or the Google Play Store. Open your iPhone's settings app and tap your name at the top of the screen. In the Apple ID menu, tap Subscriptions. Find and tap your Tinder Gold subscription, and then select Cancel Subscription. Open the Tinder app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Select Settings. Then scroll down and tap Manage Payment Account. Then tap Cancel Subscription. Log into the Tinder website and click on your profile picture and name in the top left corner. Under Account Settings, click Manage Payment Account. Scroll down to Cancel Subscription and click Cancel. Confirm that you want to cancel your Gold account. Occasionally, signing up for Tinder Gold on an Android will link it to your Google Play account. Open the Google Play Store app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, and then Subscriptions. Find and select your Tinder Gold subscription and tap Cancel Subscription.